In the fast-paced world of finance, few companies have captured both Wall Street's and Main Street's attention like SOFI Technologies. It's not just another fintech startup. SOFI has become a full-blown financial ecosystem, offering everything from student loan refinancing to digital banking, investing, and crypto. After this explosive Q2 earnings report, SOFI isn't just trending, it's rewriting the fintech playbook. Today we'll unpack what's really fueling this rally, what the numbers are telling us, and whether this momentum is sustainable into 2025 and beyond. The fintech industry has seen significant growth in recent years, with many companies vying for market share. SOFI, however, has faced its fair share of challenges, including market skepticism and intense competition from established players and new entrants alike. Despite these headwinds, SOFI has continued to innovate and expand its offerings, which has helped it build a loyal customer base. But will it be enough to justify the hype around its stock? Many investors have been eagerly awaiting SOFI's Q2 earnings report, hoping it would provide some clarity on the company's future prospects. Prior to this earnings report, SOFI faced significant market skepticism, with some investors questioning its ability to scale and maintain profitability. The company has been investing heavily in growth initiatives, which has weighed on its bottom line in the short term. However, these investments are crucial for SOFI's long-term success, and the Q2 earnings report provided some much-needed validation. With its robust product offerings and strong customer engagement, SOFI has been able to differentiate itself from competitors and build a loyal customer base. The competitive landscape in fintech is fierce, with many established players and new entrants vying for market share. SOFI, however, has carved out a niche for itself with its comprehensive suite of financial products and services. From student loan refinancing to cryptocurrency trading, SOFI has positioned itself as a one-stop shop for consumers looking for a modern, tech-savvy financial services provider. This broad range of offerings has helped SOFI attract a diverse customer base and drive growth. SOFI's Q2 earnings report was a game-changer. With the company delivering impressive revenue growth and customer acquisition numbers, revenue came in at $376 million, up 37% year-over-year. Driven by strong growth in its lending and financial services segments, the company also reported a significant increase in customer acquisitions, with total members now exceeding 3.5 million. This growth has been driven by SOFI's continued innovation and expansion of its product offerings. One of the key highlights from SOFI's earnings report was its performance in the lending segment, where revenue grew 47% year-over-year. This was driven by strong demand for SOFI's student loan refinancing products, as well as its mortgage and personal loan offerings. The company's financial services segment also saw significant growth, with revenue up 28% year-over-year. This was driven by strong growth in SOFI's investing and cryptocurrency trading products. The success of SOFI's Q2 earnings report can be attributed to several key accomplishments. Firstly, the company's focus on innovation and product development has paid off, with its new product launches driving significant growth. Secondly, SOFI's investments in marketing and customer acquisition have yielded results, with the company adding over 1 million new members in the quarter. Finally, SOFI's ability to maintain a strong balance sheet and manage its expenses effectively has helped the company deliver profitability. SOFI's Q2 earnings report was a major catalyst for the stock surge. With shares up over 20% in after-hours trading, the market reaction was swift, with investors scrambling to get in on the action. As the news spread like wildfire, SOFI's stock price continued to climb, driven by a surge in investor confidence. The company's ability to deliver strong earnings and growth has helped to alleviate some of the market skepticism that had been weighing on the stock. The surge in stock price was a testament to the company's ability to execute and deliver results. With its robust product offerings and strong customer engagement, SOFI has established itself as a leader in the fintech space. As the company continues to innovate and expand its offerings, it's likely that we'll see further growth and adoption. The Q2 earnings report provided a much-needed catalyst for the stock, and it's clear that investors are excited about SOFI's prospects. In recap, SOFI's Q2 earnings report was a resounding success. With the company delivering impressive revenue growth and customer acquisition numbers, the stock's surge is a testament to the company's ability to execute and deliver results. As we look ahead, it's clear that SOFI is well positioned for long-term success. With a robust product suite and strong customer engagement, the company's focus on innovation and customer acquisition has paid off. And it's likely that we'll see further growth and adoption in the coming quarters. The implications of SOFI's earnings report are significant. With the company's growth potential and profitability driving investor confidence, as the fintech industry continues to evolve, SOFI's ability to adapt and innovate will be crucial to its long-term success. With its strong brand and comprehensive product offerings, SOFI is well positioned to capture a significant share of the growing fintech market. If you've been following SOFI's journey, I'd love to hear your thoughts on its Q2 earnings report. Comment below and let me know what you think about the company's future prospects. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more financial insights and in-depth analysis of the latest market trends. Thanks for watching.